Yeah, hello guys. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to export just a particular section from the footages on your timeline. Now let me play this video for you guys to see. Now there's a switch from the first section of this video to second section. There's a switch in music. Now that's it, but I would like to export only the section where the music changed, meaning I would like to export it right from here where the music changed. So what am I going to do? And I only want to export from this section onward. I don't want to export the first aspect, the first part that was played. So what am I going to do? Once it gets to where I want to start exporting it from, so I'll just press I. So once you press I, it's just mark an in section. It marks an in section. Then you let's assume this is where I want it to stop, and I want to export it from here. Then I'll just press O. So I is the in section, while O is the out section, or I is the in point, while O is the out point. So as it is like this, I'll only be able to export right from where I pressed I to where I pressed O. So it's only this section that I'll be able to export, and let's see if that works. So you come to export. You export your video, you name it, and just name it a section. Then you choose where you want the file to be saved. Now export. Now let's see what we have. Now let's check out the video and see what we're able to export. You see now, so this is how you export only a section out of everything on your timeline. So if you have any question, drop that comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.